Welcome. In this video, you're going to learn how to mark all of your WhatsApp groups as read in just a few seconds using the latest update on the WhatsApp desktop app. This feature is super handy if you're part of many active groups and your notification list is constantly full. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're using the latest version since this feature may not appear on older updates. Once the app is open, look right below the search bar. You'll see a button labeled Groups. Click on that button to open your list of group chats. Now, you should be looking at all your WhatsApp groups in one place. At the top right corner of this page, you'll notice 3 dots. That's your menu button. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking, you'll see a few options appear in a small drop-down list. From here, select the option that says Mark All as Read. And that's it. Instantly, every group chat in your list will be marked as read, clearing all those unread message notifications in one single move. This small but powerful update is a real time saver, especially if you're a part of larger communities, work groups, or family chats that never stop buzzing. Instead of opening each chat one by one, you can now stay organized with just a couple of clicks. If you're using WhatsApp on multiple devices, this change will also sync across your account, keeping everything tidy and up to date no matter where you log in. It's simple, it's fast, and it keeps your screen clutter free. So now, you know how to mark all groups as read on WhatsApp for PC using the new update. Give it a try and enjoy a cleaner chat view instantly. Don't forget to stay tuned for more simple tips like this to make your everyday apps work smarter for you.